In this age of digital media, your marketing strategy must include engaging and view-worthy video content to simply keep pace with the competition. To help your content stand out, we've put together a list of our Envato Elements top 10 best video templates for 2021. All items featured in this video are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Film Credits Pack by MediaStock. From artsy short films to eerie horror masterpieces, this film credits pack lends itself perfectly to suspenseful films full of intrigue and mysterious happenings. Pair it with a sullen soundtrack and a grave storyline, and you've got yourself the next big murder mystery franchise. Number 9. Rhythmic Intro, FCPX or Apple Motion by Space Dog. This choppy intro sequence takes contemporary video editing techniques and allows you to easily customize them to your heart's content with an FCPX or Apple Motion 5. Use this video template to help your products and your brand truly make an impact. Number 8. Text Messages Toolkit by NeuronFX. Send the right message to your audience with this fully customizable text message video toolkit for Premiere Pro. Easily recreate a true-to-life video conversation to engage target markets of adults and teens alike. BRB, downloading this toolkit. Number 7. Countdown by VideoSalt. The number 7 addition to our Envato Elements top 10 best video templates for 2021 countdown is, well, a countdown. Create an air of anticipation for your presentations, product releases, or marketing campaigns with this modern, digitally styled countdown opener template. Number 6. New Shapes Logo by Treedeo. This futuristic logo animation video template is perfect for tech-aligned operations to incorporate as an opening or closing scene in their YouTube content. Building brand awareness is key, and this is the perfect way to do it. Stark Industries, we've got you covered. Do you like what you see so far in our Envato Elements top 10 best video templates for 2021 list? If so, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future content. Now let's get back into it. 3, 2, 1, action! Number 5. 100 Clean Titles, After Effects version by MotionTheoryStudio. 100 modern, minimalist, professional title animation templates for videos? Yes, please. There's certainly something for everyone in this versatile pack for After Effects. Number 4. YouTube Subscribe by Templates Bravo. This video template pack is perfect for all the YouTubers and influencers out there who rely on likes and subscribes to fuel their passion projects. Included in this pack are over 15 customizable templates, sounds, and even a tutorial for how to edit the templates. Anyone can do it. Number 3. 70 Glitch Title Animation Presets Pack, Glitch Text Maker by xFxDesigns. Grungy, glitchy, and full of grit. This pack includes 70 pre-made text animations in 6 different glitch types. Whether your brand is defined as retro, edgy, tech-inclined, or straight-up futuristic, this pack contains enough title animation options to suit a whole range of industries. Number 2. Instagram Stories by After Darkness 75. Bright, bold, and highly dynamic, these animated templates are versatile enough to share across multiple social platforms. Showcase your fashion, auto, sporting, and food products, among many others, with this extraordinary pack of 55 engaging and visually appealing Insta Story templates. Number 1. Dope Transitions for Premiere Pro by Candy Mustache. One of the most popular transition packs in the world is taking out the number 1 spot in this countdown today. And it's easy to see why. Each transition template is unique, versatile, and holds a certain energy that other templates just can't seem to replicate. As we reach the end of our list of Envato Elements top 10 best video templates for 2021, did any of them spark a concept deep in your mind for your next hit film or product promo? Let us know in the comments. like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you found this video interesting. Before you leave, stop by the next video in the queue because it's been chosen just for you. Find all the video templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements and create show-stopping material for any audience.